In this video, I'm going to compare n8n versus Dify, tell pros and cons and features, and tell which one is the best. So let's go. So first, let's have an overview of them. n8n is an open source tool for automating workflow. It lets users connect apps, services, and APIs to create custom processes, such as syncing data between tools or handling tasks on a schedule. It suits technical teams who need flexibility and control, including the option to run it on their own servers. The Dify is an open source platform focused on building AI applications. It uses large language models or LLMs like GPT to create chatbots, agents, and workflows. It includes tools for handling data with AI such as RAG for pulling information from documents. It works well for teams wanting to develop AI features without deep coding skills. Most tools are open source, meaning users can access and modify the code. They support self-hosting for data privacy and cost savings. However, n8n is broader for general automation, while Dify is specialized for AI-driven apps. Now, as you can see, this is the ecosystem of n8n, the node-based workflow, if you want to look further. And this is the Dify workspace. As you can see, you can connect different things together. Now let's jump into key comparison. n8n main focus is general workflow automation, including AI integration, visual node-based editor for building workflows, over 400 app integration, for example Slack, Google Sheets, and etc. Custom code support like JavaScript and Python, AI agents and LLM connections, for example OpenAI, local models. It also has the feature of error handling, debugging, and scheduling, and self-hosting with Docker. Let's talk about ease of use. n8n has a learning curve for beginners, best for those comfortable with code or APIs. Visual interface helps, but complex setup need technical skills. Now, let's talk about Dify features. The main focus is on AI application development, such as agents, chatbots, and LLM workflows. The key features are drag and drop studio for AI apps and workflows, RAG pipelines for data processing, prompt IDE for testing AI prompts, support for 1000 plus LLMs, for example GPT or Cloudy, agent framework with tools like Google Search, backend APIs and plugin integration, and enterprise monitoring. On terms of ease of use, is more beginner friendly with no code or low code tools. Visual design makes AI app building quick, though advanced features may require some AI knowledge. Now let's compare them in integration. n8n is strong in general apps and APIs, 400 plus native plus custom via HTTP GraphQL, good for non-AI tasks like database or email. Dify focus on AI models and tools like LLMs, RAG database, support plugins and APIs, but fewer general app connection than n8n. In terms of deployment, the n8n is self-host, free community edition, or cloud-hosted, full control over your data. Dify is self-host or cloud, includes AWS Marketplace option for easy setup. If you want to talk about community and support, n8n is large open source community, 40,000 plus members from and GitHub, paid plan at priority support. Dify on the other hand is growing community, Discord and Docs. Enterprise plan includes email support. So if you want to compare the pricing, both n8n and Dify offer flexible pricing models, including free tiers for community and sandbox use, as well as various paid plans for cloud-hosted services. Enterprise plans are typically custom coded based on specific organization needs. So n8n cloud pricing mostly on the self-hosted, obviously no cost. On the starter plan, you get $20 per month, and pro plan for $50 a month, and enterprise plan based on our research is around $1,000 a month. n8n cloud charges are based on workflow runs, offering transparent billing for automation tasks. Self-hosting, the community edition provides unlimited workflows at no software cost. On the other hand, we have Dify cloud pricing. The free sandbox is obviously no cost. The self-hosting is estimated around $10, and the professional plan is $59 per month, and team plan is $199 per month, and enterprise plan is surprisingly $2,000 per month. Dify offers a free sandbox for initial exploration and a free tier for students. While self-hosting is free for the software, users should account for server costs, typically ranging from $5 to $10 per month. So which one is the best? Choose n8n if your goal is general automation across apps and services with some AI elements. It offers more flexibility, broader integration, and lower cost for complex non-AI tasks. For example, it excels at connecting tools like email, databases, and CRMs while allowing custom code for tweaks. Choose Dify if you are focused on AI-specific development, such as creating intelligent agents, chatbots, or apps that use LLMs heavily. Its built-in AI tools like RAG, and prompt engineering make it faster and easier for AI projects, especially for teams without deep coding expertise. For most users starting out, try the free version of both to test them. If your work mixes automation and AI, consider using them together, n8n for backend flows and Dify for AI logic, as some users do for hybrid setups. So this is it. Thanks for watching this video.